Hello all, it's Susie Barton again. We are going to make a quick ham and cheese sandwich. Nice little snack or lunchtime or even for dinner by adding some soup to it. Today what we're going to do is we need butter. I use two different cheeses, American and Munster, and a nice piece of ham. 2 pieces of bread. So what we're going to do is you're going to take your bread, you're going to put some butter on it, just smear it all around, get it coated, work it all through. If you need more, grab some more. Okay, do one side and then do the other piece. Whatever bread that you have laying around the house is fine. This is what we have laying around the house. I think it's a whole wheat. Just make sure that you get as much butter all over so that is nice and golden brown on both sides. Once we're done with that, what we're going to do is put 1 piece of cheese and then the ham in between, and then another piece of cheese, and put them down. We're going to turn on the oven, get that kind of hot. Any pan big enough to fit your sandwich will do. We want it fairly hot so that it will cook. Oh, not oven, stove. Thank you, Ella. So once we have that, we wait a couple minutes. Also going to need a spatula so that you don't burn yourself. And what we're going to do is we're going to lay it with the butter side out on the one, give it a couple minutes, and we're going to flip it. You'll see. After we're done with this, we're going to put it in. It's a bit warm. Put it down, let it sit. Don't walk away from it. Never walk away from your stove. It will get really hot. It'll start melting the butter, which will then caramelize into a nice golden outing. And then we're going to turn it over. You also need a plate. And probably the knife that you had would be good. That way you can cut it in half and enjoy it. Okay, what I like to do is after a minute or two, lift up. Nope, not yet. So we just flipped it and we have it on the other side. It's a nicely golden brown. Some people like theirs a little darker. I don't. So I'm not making it very, very dark, but go ahead if that's the way you like your toast and stuff. Toast it up dark then. But this is almost done. You can probably see, if you like more cheese, add more cheese to it. I like just enough. It's melted. You could see it coming out of the sides a little bit, not too much, but the cheese is melting up nicely inside. Remember to check underneath. Okay, so this is the way I like it. So we're going to plate it and we are going to cut it in half so it's easier to handle. And voila, a ham and cheese grilled sandwich. Enjoy.